Hey there, Tiffany here. I wanted to do my honest review of the Collapsible Wagon cart. I just opened the box and I pulled out these 4 different items. They have instructions on how to put the handle on and the tools to do that, and the actual handle, and then the wagon. So I'm going to put the handle on. And then make sure the handle button is on the outside. And then don't make my mistake. Don't try to put the screw in now, but there's a little black piece you want to put in the bottom first. And then you can put the screw in on the right side, pushing left. And then once you get that in there, you're going to take the nut and put it on the other side and then tighten it. So you can see the handle is on now, and there are 2 pockets, and then the wheels are really durable. They're really thick. They have some good grip on them. They rotate all the way around, the back wheels do. And then the front wheels just stay straight, which is totally fine. And there is plenty of space inside, and you can see the little tab to pull up and fold it. I'll show you that later. So this would be great for going to the beach, to the lake. I have a cooler that will fit nicely in here. And then also I could put food in here, another cooler, and it slides right in there. There's still space on the other side, but I can also put camp chairs in here and blankets, jackets, whatever. So I think this would work great on sand or dirt, grass. And then I'll show you how to fold it up. It's really easy. There is a little material right here that you can pull up on to fold it right up. So it makes it super easy to fold up, and then it has handles right here. So it makes it easy to carry. It's not too heavy. It's pretty lightweight. And you just press right here, pull up, and lock it into place. Easy to push. And I'm 5'10", and this is plenty tall for me. And then I'll show you the bottom. There are bars going both ways, so this is going to hold a lot of stuff and not break through. So I would definitely recommend the Collapsible Wagon.